Maket.Ai uses AI to help you design house floor plans and 3D renderings quickly. But is it easy to use and worth subscribing to? Let's find out. Maket.Ai is an AI-powered platform aimed at architects, builders, and homeowners. It instantly creates residential floor plans and turns them into 3D designs, speeding up the planning process. The tool also helps with zoning compliance, cost estimates, and material suggestions all inside one app. It works in your browser on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and supports real-time team collaboration. Beginners say it has an intuitive interface, but professionals mention a steep learning curve when using advanced features. You can start with a free basic plan for up to 3 projects and low-resolution exports. But to unlock unlimited projects, high-resolution exports, and advanced editing tools, the premium plan is $30 a month. Some users report occasional bugs, slow loading times, and mixed customer support. Maket.Ai is great if you want fast AI-assisted design with 3D visuals and zoning help. The free plan is useful for simple projects, but the full experience costs money. This has been How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.